Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since the last sit down video I have here for my channel, but I cannot wait to show you something that I am really thankful that I get the chance to try on. I am very excited to share with you a brand that I've been seeing all over. They called Mint&Lily. They have great affordable quality jewelry pieces, and I got a chance to try a couple of pieces from them, which I'm going to talk about today. Very excited about it. They have a fast shipping worldwide, and you don't have to pay any shipping over the order of $65. Packaging of the product are very high end. You open the box and you find this, you just feel like receiving a very high-end jewelry pieces without paying a lot of money for it. So first piece that I'm going to show you is the fairy name necklace. It's personalized. You can put your own name on it, your daughter, your kid's name, your husband's name, even your pet's name. It's a perfect gift for any loved ones. And you can also adjust the length of it. This is the shortest it can get. I like to just wear it on its own. It gives me that very dainty and minimal look, but I can also layer it with pieces that I already own, which just adds a little bit more character to it. It's very versatile. You can wear it on its own, or you can stack them just like what I have here. So if you layer it with other pieces, it is really nice and gives you that really elevated look. And the fact that this one is very dainty, really love. And you can exactly read your name. And the box chain that came with it, perfect for the style. I was very surprised of the quality of the pieces. They don't look and feel cheap. Second piece that I got from them is this droplets. It is the perfect size of earrings. It's not humongous, and it's also not very little that you can't like see it. It's really cute. I think this is the perfect earring for every day, and you can layer it as well if you have like multiple ear piercings. I like to always wear like minimal jewelry, and this is the perfect piece, the perfect size. If you go into the website, you can actually get like a bigger size of this if you're into like a little bit more of a bigger size earrings. Always wear it, like dress it up, pair it with a little bit more fancy outfit, but it also goes very well with like everyday looks, which I think is just perfect. The perfect size of earring. Super cute. So I was really excited to actually able to try these pieces for myself, because I can attest they are great quality pieces and very stylish as well. I kind of like that like old money vibe when it comes to jewelry pieces. If you go check out the website, there is a lot of other pieces as well. They have bracelets, rings, necklaces, other earrings that you can choose from, and I'm very excited for you guys to try it as well. And don't forget to check them out. And if you did ended up ordering a piece from them, let me know in the comments down below of how you love the pieces, because I'm sure you're gonna love it. Again, I'm very excited to be able to share this with you, and I'm obsessed with the pieces that I got from them. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.